Before we get in the video, if you like this type of content and want to see more, please subscribe to the channel and like the video because it helps out immensely. And also, smash that bell for future notifications. All right, here we are in the thinkorswim platform presented by TD Ameritrade. This is for ticker symbol SPCE, Virgin Galactic Holdings. And we're gonna go ahead and zoom in. This is only 1 year chart. And this long-term trend line is going to be gone because we're going to focus on the next week to 2 weeks. So we'll remove. We're going to keep this bottom trend line. This is like a long-term support. So we can know if for some reason space takes a dip and it heads towards this trend line. If it breaks it, we've got issues and maybe we want to rethink our strategy on it. So, but once again, this is a relatively new stock, so I don't know how much weight this can hold. We've got 2 points on it. We really need another point, but I don't think we're going to get that anytime soon. So we're going to zoom in on this channel. This is currently the channel that we did last week, and as you can see, this channel has pretty much held up. It dipped a little bit below the support in the channel, but went right back up. And this little short-term trend line, we're going to activate it and move it over. So we need some more points on it, but to validate it, but it's really not super important. That channel is more important than anything. So in the near term, which when I say near term, week to 2 weeks, we want to see if this little uptrend continues. And if it continues, when it gets to about $21, is it going to break that? You want to look for a breakout of that 21. So if you're playing it, keep in mind this $21 resistance are right around $21. We'll zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, it's right at 21, right at 21. But I think you're going to see, especially over the next couple months, this particular ticker symbol, SPCE, is going to continue to climb higher. I think we'll meet some resistance at 21, but I'm sure that we will break it. That's going to conclude this video. If you like this type of content, this is a really quick video, just a technical analysis for the week or two coming up, so you can kind of know where this stock is headed. Thanks for watching.